Welcome to Runaway Homestead. I'm Perry. If you're new, glad to have you along. Rainy New Year's Day. So let me show you what I'm into in the shop. This is just a little jig I made for making cutting boards. I just drilled these holes for the size of PVC that I have, which is 1/2 inch, and I can sit these in place. I got 3 adjustments on that end, 1 on this end, and it allows me to put a cutting board together and the glue not stick to everything, and it also has enough room on the outside edge where not only is it clamped together this way, but also across the top and bottom to keep it from wanting to cup or bow. And you can make these to your own specifications. This one is 13 inches wide by 14 inches long, and it just keeps the work pieces up off the table and just not as messy with the glue. It's just easier to clean up, easier to clamp. That's only the second cutting board I made. Made one a couple of weeks before Christmas for my daughter-in-law. Enjoyed it, she loved it. And I always have extra wood, so I'm gonna give this a shot again, see how it goes. And like I say, the first one, it was kind of messy, so I just tried to figure what can I do to make that a little better. And that's what I came up with. So I've got several other projects to work on. I have a habit of getting too many going that I just get too much stuff in the way of each other. So I'm going to straighten up and get back to work. Here's the other cutting board and what it's going to get used for. I'm already learning about this edge grain being better, but the end grain is even a better cutting board than this. So I've got a lot of learning to do on it. This one won't get used for a cutting board, I don't imagine. But it sure turned out nice.